Well, I promised I'd make more, so here's another example of computer stupidity. Right now I'm on YouTube at the moment, and I'm just going to load a video to show you that my internet connection is working. See, nothing wrong there. Video is playing. But now I'm going to go on to another video, because there's some videos on here on YouTube that seem to only load a little tiny bit, then they stop. And this one is a classic example. I'm just going to resize my screen so you can see.
I don't think you understand who you're talking to. I am Johnny Bravo, the one-man army.
And there you go, it's not loading any further. And you know what is really stupid about this? I'm just going to go back to my YouTube page. Now, whenever I try to do anything on the internet, say load this video here, see that? It's not even loading now. It's for some reason it's cut off my internet connection. I mean, that is just absolutely ridiculous. If I try to open any of my emails, exactly the same thing. Unless I haven't, unless they're new ones. We try to go to a YouTube page to say, here, can you see that? They just don't load up. And the only way to get my connection back is to actually restart the computer. See, it's still having trouble loading up. To prove it is my internet, that this does cut off my internet connection when I try to watch one of those videos that won't load all the way through. Let's just try to Google something here. Let's just stop this thing, because it's obviously not going to load. Okay, stop. There's another example. I'm pressing this and it's not stopping. You see, it's still trying to load. So I'll just come out of Firefox and go back in. This video is being way longer than I want it to. I was trying to load my mail. If I try to refresh the YouTube page, because that's still in my browser's cache at the moment, that's why you can see it, but if I try to load it, it just cannot do it. Now I'll try to Google something like I just so just Google, I don't know, tape recorders. In fact, it completely messes up my browser. And it is the internet connection, because let's try Internet Explorer, which I don't actually use, but just to prove to you that these things see, it's not it's trying to load up, and you can see the progress bar, but that means absolutely nothing. And there you go. So the only way to get my connection back after watching one of those videos that won't load all the way, that seems to cut off my internet connection whenever it plays. So I'm reboot my computer. So reboot the computer now. So I'm going to turn off computer. Restart. Now we'll be staring at a blank screen for about 5 minutes because this graphic card I've got in this thing is complete. You know, I do have a boot menu here, but it can't display it. It will come back on in a minute when Windows starts up, and because for some reason this graphic card can't display anything until Windows is loaded. It's an absolute piece of crap, this graphic card I've got, but anyway. There we go, Windows is now restarted. Let's wait for all my crud to load up. Right. Now if I restart Firefox with the computer rebooted, takes a few minutes to actually load just after you turn the computer back on. So my computer is a bit slow for about 5 minutes after it's when it's first turned on. Oh, it's loading that video. Better shut it off before it gets to that point where it cuts off my internet. See, now I can get my mail and everything. And I can access YouTube again. That's just so stupid. Watching one of those videos that doesn't load all the way, and when it gets to that point where it can't load anymore, the internet cuts off. I mean, that's just absolutely stupid.